Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a shower shelf tour. Yeah, we are getting into a budget-friendly self-care essentials because looking and feeling good shouldn't cost a fortune, right? If you love skincare, body care and good smell, goods that don't break the bank, stick around. I'm showing you my must-haves for glowing skin, a fresh vibe, relaxing shower moments, all affordable and effective. So stay tuned. Let's start with the basic cleansers. I love this product. This Dove, it's good. I love the smell, but I use it after using the exfoliating shower gel, the orange one. Yeah, after that I love the exfoliating shower gel because it is 2-in-1. It's under $10. It smells amazing and also leaves my skin super soft. I also keep a gentle facial cleanser on the shelf. This one is perfect for sensitive skin and doesn't dry me out. I exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. This scrub from Eden is a game changer and only costs a few shillings. I also use exfoliating gloves I grabbed from a local beauty store. They are reusable and way cheaper than fancy tools. But the dark orange one, I use it to scrub my back because sometimes it's difficult to use the gloves on my back. So I use the two for exfoliation. For shaving, I skip the expensive creams and use this aloe vera gel and mousse. Yeah, the aloe vera gel I use as my cream. I apply it, then I use the big razor. Then after that, I also apply the same aloe vera gel. This bit I use sometimes on my armpit. Yeah, they work just as well, and I follow up with the aloe vera gel, which keeps me moisturized and glowing without that greasy feel after shaving. And the mousse, I use it many times on the hairs on my arms and my legs. Now for the fun extras, I keep a mini plant. This is a flower. It has not yet produced a flower. I keep this as for a spa vibe, and sometimes I light a small candle away from the water, of course. I also use a waterproof speaker sometimes, or my phone, to vibe out with my playlist during the long showers. Oh my, this is my favorite scent. I love the smell. And that's my shower shelf tour. Self-care on a budget and still giving luxury. Let me know in the comments what your favorite affordable shower essential is. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you enjoyed this video.